VSTM stock analysis and price predictions for 11th of August and onward. Is it a buy or not? Which is very brief and short 1-minute video till the end. Find out. Especially looking at Verastem stock, Verastem. It began with the bullish idea, and then here now I still have a bullish idea myself. Is that I'm not gonna randomly buy though. You know, that's the biggest thing here. I hoped, yeah, I mean, this is already kind of giving me the rules and then going without me, but he never gave me the shift that I wanted, and that's fair. I mean, sometimes I'm gonna, even though my bias could be on point, my directional, my timing can be freaking 10 out of 10. If rules are not met, I'm not moving forward. And welcome to trading, this part of trading. No need to force anything, you know. There's an abundance of opportunities in the market. VSTM, I'm sure I have some receipts here. Yeah, I like one result. Now, if you want to stay tuned and get free sauce, click the first link in the description. I will continue to keep you updated. Goodbye and enjoy.